Hello store owners! Today, I'll show you how to add extra wholesale role tiers so you can give different groups of wholesale customers their very own discount levels. Here on my shop, I'm seeing the special wholesale pricing my customers already get. But maybe I want a bronze, silver, and gold tier, each with a bigger discount. So let's head into the back end and set up a brand new tier. Let's head over to wholesale, then roles. This is where all my wholesale tiers live, and I can already see my existing roles listed here. To add a new one, I'll start with the role name, and let's call this one Bronze Wholesale. Next, I'll give it a unique role key, Wholesale Bronze, which the plugin uses behind the scenes. I'll pop in a quick description too. And once I'm happy, I'll hit Add New Wholesale Role to save my brand new tier. And just like that, Bronze Wholesale shows up in my list of roles. Now here's the best part. When I edit any product, I'll find a dedicated wholesale price field for my new bronze tier right under product data on the general tab. From here, I can scroll down and set exactly what my bronze customers pay. And that's all it takes to build out as many pricing tiers as your business needs. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel